Yes. Y'all feeling good out there? I think I'm feeling better. Yesterday I was kinda like stressed out. I couldn't catch it for nothing. But now it's like, it's whatever. You know, every day, gotta get paid. That's the normal things they say. Yeah. But it's a celebration non-stop till we reach the top. All the people on the bottom getting to the top. Think about the things that I did, things that I lived. Situation, maybe a man from a kid. Then I slid, situations got better. You know my mindset always to get cheddar. But in my heart I gotta be for my people. When it's so real that it seems illegal, I'ma feed you, I got it locked. Don't worry about the top spot, I got it locked. At Snatch, I ain't giving it back. Champion round for round and y'all can't fight back. Your punches ain't strong enough. And your endurance, y'all don't last long enough. That's why she feeling me now. I tell the world, man, they feeling me now. Yes, mic check 1, 2. Cypher, my mind is crazy, this what I do. I bring the energy to every track that I do. Re-record it, pre-record it. It's freestyle just for it, just your attention. Flow with the rhymes that I'm missing, like sound that ain't clicking. Y'all tripping, stop being so clumsy, my nigga. Don't get confused off that liquor. Smoke on any weed just to get a higher taste of the life that I'm living. Even though it seems like I'm in a downward position, I'm good though, I'm satisfied in the life that I'm living. And don't worry about first place still gets ribbon. Second place you still get your name mentioned. And if y'all really want war, then for sure you gon' get missing. S-A-A-V-E, scholar. You know.